Welcome back to Dune Sport. Today we have a 26-foot DK model to show you. Totally custom, starting with the fiberglass front cap. We've got a 21-foot awning here with an LED light strip, packed with all your necessities and then some. It's got an exterior spray port with hot and cold water. It's a pressurized line to be able to spray down your dogs, your kids, your toys, whatever you want. Exterior storage is always a plus, so we added a pass-through storage in the nose cap. It's got exterior coax, a 6-gallon water heater, and for all you campers that camp off-grid, it's got a 4,000 watt Cummins gas generator. This trailer here is outfitted with 100 gallons of fresh water, 50 gray and 50 black, tandem 5,200 pound axles, and a dry weight of 6,800 pounds. It's even outfitted with a barbecue quick connect. It's got a 7-foot ramp door here on the back, making it easy to load. And the best part about this floor plan is it's got 20.5 feet of cargo from the ramp door all the way to that bathroom wall right there. So you've got plenty of space to load anything you want. Once the toys are out, it's time to set it up to make it comfy. It's got a 40-inch TV that folds down from the ceiling with a push of a button. It's got 2 Euro recliners. You can lean back and kick your feet up. It's got an enlarged 4x3 window, the post mount table. Here in the back, we've got a king size bed. You guys, it's an actual household king. And we've got a 6-foot sofa that makes into a bed. And of course, we've got overhead cabinets above on both sides for your storage. Now let's show you the kitchen area here, starting with this cabinet for storage. Put your crock pot or coffee pot in there while you're traveling. You got a 6 cubic foot fridge freezer. This is propane and 110 operated. Some nice overhead cabinetry storage. It's got a recessed 3-burner cooktop with oven and then a microwave here above, both outfitted in stainless. You can choose black or stainless appliances. It's got a radio and a DVD player below, and then if you want more counter space, we can make these Formica sink covers to create more counter space when you're not using the sink. Plenty of storage below. It's got full depth drawers that pulls out almost 20 inches. So if you want to start the generator, you just prime it, wait for the light to come on, and then hold the top side of the switch. Boom, it started. It's also got a gauge here to show you how much gas you have. So this trailer here, it's got a 15,000 BTU AC, set to 60 right now. It's up here in the ceiling. And then it's got a 20,000 BTU furnace. It's right there underneath the pantry. So let's show you this custom sized bathroom. It's got a porcelain toilet, a 3x2 tub / shower, and then we actually enlarged the space here around the toilet to where it has a 3x3 foot space, giving you that much more room around the toilet. And for those rainy days where you just got to Netflix and chill, you've got a smart TV with all the apps necessary. And don't forget to put your TV up against the ceiling before you travel.